Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek with the 5-Minute Bookkeeping.com blog, where we show you how to minimize bookkeeping and maximize profits. What is the number one mistake that business owners make with their bookkeeping? It's actually not doing their bookkeeping. That's right, not doing your own bookkeeping. So you have every intention of doing it. You feel like you're probably educated and knowledgeable and should figure it out. But at some point, you get really busy with your business and then you don't have time to work on your bookkeeping. And then you probably keep remembering that you have to work on the bookkeeping late at night when you're getting ready for bed or something, when you can't do anything about it. Now, this is very normal. And what I would encourage you to do is make a decision. If you're going to do your own bookkeeping, then you have to take the actions necessary to do that, which will involve getting some training in QuickBooks Online, learning more about it, and developing a routine. And the key is in developing that daily routine of working with your financials. Even if you think that, hey, I don't have a lot of activity, I could just do it once a month, I highly encourage you to work on your bookkeeping on a daily basis. And the easiest way to do that is to work on your bank feeds in 5 minutes a day. So just spend 5 minutes a day working on your bank feeds. So those are the transactions that download from your bank into QuickBooks, categorizing those transactions, and then you're done. And you'll see how once you develop that habit, you'll be more likely to spend 5 minutes a day, maybe 10, maybe 15 minutes a day. And before you know it, you'll be working on your bookkeeping every day, a little bit every day, and you'll be caught up. The worst thing that you can do is to forget about it, to put it off, and then here comes tax time and you're not ready because you don't have any books. And then what happens? You get an extension, right? And then you extend your taxes till later. And then you put it off till the last minute again. So you develop a pattern of stress, of reacting to a deadline, and really not wanting to engage with your financials, because every time that you do, you have a negative experience. So just spend 5 minutes a day on your bookkeeping. That's all it takes. I have shared some very useful resources in the description box below to help you work on your bank feeds in just 5 minutes a day. So this is my QBO bank feeds cheat sheet in 5 minutes a day. I'm Veronica Wasek with the 5minutebookkeeping.com blog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get all of my latest videos, and visit my blog at 5minutebookkeeping.com. Bye.